Very so famous, so many very awesome because I just made it by myself, my the best lecturer for all the world in my life, never fallen my life.
No, 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 no. Just close it. Close it.
Let me record.
Go on.
Talking about chopper.
It's not finished yet, man.
Even though we got every half title, we have to make a lot doing about our thesis, talking about even though like he was like by himself, I was doing by
Anak
myself.
lima dan no.
But totally hard for me, right?
Tidak bu.
Turkeys, like
That's why I give suggest for him. Yeah. Please search.
you know a lot about law, right?
I don't really understand about the law, but yeah, at least doing how to grab the ideas, how to increase your awareness, how to like increase your curiosity, because this is like academic stuff. You have to search for a lot of resources. Yeah, if you never curious, if you have no basic understand, you will know this is very difficult. I don't want to make it. So you will think always across in your mind that this is like a monster, right? Because oh come on, I have no idea. Come on, because you don't really like it. If you like it, of course, a lot of ideas. For example, let me get an example. Okay. For example, Isan, can you talk English? Of course, he will prefer to choose Japanese one because Japanese is what interesting with him. Because he wants to search for the word related to Japanese. Then, because you like it, so you search for it. A lot of resources because you like it. So if I'm trying to force it, okay, you have to say something like English. Of course, he's gonna reject. He will reject it. It's not really like, okay, just go ahead. For example, this is the same if you compare it with utilities thesis. Yeah, sometimes when people write thesis is very hard. Thesis is very difficult. Yeah, because he or she doesn't really like it. That's why, for me, I suggest for if you really want to be able to make it faster first, make it short, limit the scope first, okay, what kind of issue that you really like, at least we're gonna help you to search for it. You have basic understanding, basic knowledge. That's why, not because of the law, because of how to search for the item. Not because of the law. I don't talk about law.
The point is to not wasting your time. Well,
Yeah,
not wasting your time.
it's okay. That's the point. Because sometimes we will say that, can you write it down? Because I don't really like about the thesis, but you have to do this, right? But how to deal with these problems? Yeah. Sometimes we will reject it. Oh, I'm not gonna finish it soon. So I'm gonna say, I'm done. Give up. Because you don't really like it. This is just a simple type. Put your ideas. If you don't have any ideas, is it possible to write it down? Because of the idea. If you lack idea, it's very hard. If you only lack of idea but you're interested in it, you can search it. That's how to deal with this problem. John Moncada faced the problem how to search for the idea or the title of businesses. That's why I give this motivation.